somebody in the car right here. Right here. That's him. Trial 63, come back to lot 2. Show us your hands now! We got one running. Stop! Hop in the back fence. He's on the back street, and we're going into some neighborhoods. Just keep going inbound. I'm gonna tase you if you don't stop right now. I've already got you. Drop that gun! I'm hit. I'm hit. I'm hit. I'm at 562. I'm shot.
I'm showing Jack later. Charles 63, where you hit?
Hitting the ribs.
There, copy, Tony out.
Charles 62, Charles 62, around.
I shot him, I think. Drop that gun!
Hey Josh, you want to get online and clear this stuff right here? Yeah. We could probably take care of this while they hold on that. Yeah, that'll work. We'll just get online and push through this stuff. Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Get your hands up! Cut! Let me see your hands! Your hands! Put your hands in the air!
Hey, move them!
Put your hands in the air!
Now!
Stop moving!
I got a gun right there. Oh, he's got a gun in his hand.
I got a gun.
Stop moving! Gun's not
Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
All right, move in. Hold on. Has he got a gun in his hand?
Gun's over there by the back pocket.
Roll over onto your stomach. Roll over on your stomach now! Give us the air. All right, move in.
Put your hand behind your back. Give me the other hand. Give me the other hand. Give me your hand behind the back now.
Put it behind your back.
Stop right now. I've already got you. Drop that gun!